Welcome to 24 Gable Place, a recently renovated 3+2 bedroom bungalow with 4 washrooms, nestled on a quiet court within Toronto's Bendale neighbourhood. Featuring an updated south-facing stone front yard terrace and a long driveway that has a carport with a clear roof at its end. Through the main entry door is a beautifully updated main level with an open concept layout, a neutral decor, and large windows flooding in abundant natural light, giving the home a fresh, airy feel that enhances its spaciousness. Adding warmth to much of this level is the dark hardwood flooring, which also unifies the entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, and its rich deep hue paired with the neutral decor here and in the kitchen brings an aura of modern elegance to these spaces. While modern pendant lights above the island, a contemporary light fixture in the foyer, and pot lighting throughout the principal rooms contribute to the interior brightness. Fully renovated, the stunning custom kitchen showcases upgraded polished floor tiles that also finish the foyer, cabinetry in a subtle gray shade that has extended height uppers with crown moldings and 2 glass-paneled corner units, a massive west-facing window above its stainless steel undermount sink, quartz counters and backsplashes, new stainless steel appliances including a French door fridge, dishwasher, range hood, and oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as an island with additional storage and breakfast seating. The hallway to the bedroom wing has a door to maintain the privacy of these personal spaces, with the second and third bedrooms both featuring large windows with north and east facing exposures respectively, as well as good-sized closets. The updated main 4-piece washroom features upgraded floor and wall tiles, a soaker tub, and a vanity with a quartz counter. While the lovely north-facing master bedroom showcases a mirrored door double closet, an updated 3-piece ensuite washroom with upgraded floor and wall tiles, a corner glass shower, and a space-saving vanity, and a walkout onto a deck that overlooks the backyard. Fully fenced, the yard is filled with ivies, shrubs, mature perennial plantings, and shade trees, has 3 separate stone patio areas all connected by stone walkways, while the patio area on the west side of the home is covered with a clear roof, has a bench seat with storage, and a storage shed. The fully finished lower level brings great recreational, living, and entertaining space to the home, while with its separate entrance from the driveway is also well suited as a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom in-law suite or apartment. Showcasing vinyl plank flooring, pot lighting, and oversized basement windows throughout, this level also features a bedroom with a large closet and a storage cubby, a brand new stacked front-load washer and dryer off the lower landing, storage under the staircase, an updated powder room with upgraded floor and wall tiles, and a vanity with a quartz counter, as well as a very spacious games and recreation room. kitchen has a ceramic backsplash, cabinetry with a contemporary veneer finish, a quartz counter, a stainless steel double undermount sink, an oven, and 2 fridges. The updated 4-piece washroom features upgraded tiled finishes, a soaker tub, and a space-saving vanity. The larger of this level's 2 bedrooms has a mirrored door double closet, and the family room features a gas fireplace with a painted brick facade. A short walk to TTC bus and subway service, St. Andrew's Public and St. Victor Catholic Elementary Schools, and a walk-in clinic. This home is also close to green spaces, indoor and outdoor community facilities, and the Scarborough Town Centre Mall. With a hospital, college and university campuses, golf courses, the Pan Am Sports Centre, and access to Highway 401, all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.